Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging for y'all from Amazon for canvases under $10. So, I know that some of you don't do the Amazon canvases, but we can't always afford Diamond Art Club. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to show some of the canvases from Amazon that you can get through Amazon that are budget friendly. And of course, with it being Amazon, you get them a whole lot quicker than you would if you went to a budget site that ships through China. So that is why I'm doing this. Plus, I like doing these in between bigger canvases. And used to, this is all I would ever do. Because there was a time I would not ever thought I would have been able to purchase a Diamond Art Club. So I would get these from Amazon and I love them. I love doing these little small canvases. So anyway, this one is a 30 by 40, and I gave, let me see, I'm referring back to my notes because I've written down, okay, I gave $5.98 for this, and it is a poured glue. The canvas itself is stiff but pliable. You know, you get some of the kits that the canvases are just like real stiff. But this one, it's not extremely stiff. But I thought this was cute. It's two Santa Clauses having a party, it looks like. So that's what I call it. Because it really has no name, so I just call it the Christmas party. So up at the top it has the thumbnail, has the serial number, which is on the bags of drills for those who do these separate, and then it is a 30 by 40, and there are 24 colors in this one, and looks like they are DMC charted on the canvas. And all the colors are going to be letters. I like it like that. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, so they have a schematic in the top left and the bottom right. Alright, with your kit, you just get your cheapo, ordinary, regular little kit, which this is all you need to do this kit. So you get the square of wax, you get a green boat, and your little pink pin. Alright, let's take a look at the drills. And I hope everybody's having a great day, having a great week. My week has been kind of boring because I am still sick and almost over it. Not quite, but almost. Okay, so we're just going to kind of go through the colors real quick. Some orange and green. Some reds, orange, some grays. And I'm not seeing any bad drills. Okay. Set those over there. But as you can see, there's this Santa and this Santa. They're sort of dressed alike yet different. He's got on glasses and he doesn't. And if you can see, I don't know if you can tell or not, but their faces are not drill. you don't drill their faces. I thought that was pretty neat when I seen this one, because I was like, ugh, their faces are going to be, you know, that's a lot of detail. But then I got to looking at it, and I'm like, you don't even drill their face. So I don't know if you would really consider this a partial or a full drill. Everything else you got to drill, except for their face. But I thought that was pretty cool. And it is very sticky. And the drill field, if my phone will focus, looks pretty good. I just thought this was a fun, cute canvas. Again, I know it's a Christmas canvas, but right now they are, I don't want to say on sale, but they're rather cheap. They're a lot cheaper than the regular ones. But it doesn't matter. I just thought it was cute. So I'm going to bring you back up a little bit. But as you can see, there is a bird right here with antlers on. Looks like they've got some wine. And they've got, looks like peppers actually. And a drink, some food. He's got a drink in his hand. But yeah, I think this is really cute. So what do y'all think? Like I said, I call it the Santa party. But I thought it was very cute. And again, this was $5.98. So not bad. Not bad at all. So, are y'all even liking these videos? Like I said, I know there's some people out there who can't afford Diamond Art Club, and they do the majority of their purchases off of Amazon. So, I just thought this would be something cute to show, and these videos would be something cute to do to show people, you know, what Amazon has. So, alright, y'all. I guess until my next video, I'll catch y'all later. Bye, y'all.